just talked to you like a second ago, but I need to do it again since my brother made a video, my assistant made a video, and you won't be able to see it first, so it's going to be bad instructions, and plus it didn't upload. So, I was going to say this again. Today is Sunday, correct? Correct. Football is played on NFL, correct? Correct. These strips, www.youtube.com, if you find your YouTube name on the back, you won. Okay, so in order to get your name on the back, you have to, on the first video, when the game is starting, subscribe on this video right here, right now. You gotta put my team rules or something rude in it. And at the end, if it won, you gotta put my team won and put your team name, the team name on the NFL. It has to be football. Okay, so in the first 4 people will have their name on the back. See, it will be like this. Your name will be on the back of this. 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 Okay? And the first 4 people who do get that, they get to either tell me what I should do for a video, or be in a video, or tell me the whole thing I'm going to do for a video or something. So, see ya.